Hi, it's me. Now, approximately 1.2 million of you have asked me since last time, why is, it's actually a very good question, why is fire alpaca called fire alpaca? Now, if you're a genius, you might already know what an alpaca is. But did you know the history of alpacas, or alpacae as the plural actually is? Now, the history is very important to know if you want to know what was it? Why fire alpaca is called fire alpaca. So the first alpaca was actually invented in France in 1862. It was invented by a rather short guy who's like balding. That's actually not important. I don't even know why I mentioned that. But his name was I can't pronounce it. It's like Fred, I think. Anyway, so the first alpaca was actually born when it was 4 years old, and there were two people who looked after it. One of them was Steve, and the other one was an orange liking person called Steve. They were both called Steve. The first Steve did not like oranges at all, and if you knew his traumatic childhood, you would understand exactly why, unless you're a monster. And if you are, then, you know, please stop watching this video. Just kidding. No, but really, just I don't really want to associate with monsters, if you don't mind. What was it that I was teaching you again? How to draw alpacas, or why they're why they're called alpacas. No, the history of fire alpaca, something like that. Well, I mean, you know, go look at the website or something. I forget what I was teaching you. Anyway, it's kind of cool. That looks like an Egyptian mummy or something, like the eye thing. Yeah. Anyway, so I hope you found this helpful. And if you didn't, then you should probably give up on being an artist. And if you let me saying that put you off, then there's no hope for you at all. So like, don't be an artist, because that would just be a bad idea. Yeah, okay, I'll see you later. Bye.